Hello guys, so today we will learn how to install Rust on Windows. Installing Rust on Windows is a straightforward procedure. Before we go ahead and download this executable, we need to figure out which way we're going to install Rust, or perhaps what toolchain we will be using to support Rust. There's two. You can either use MSVC, which is by Visual Studios, or you can use GNU. It's totally up to you which toolchain you want to use. In this video, I will be going over installing Rust through MSVC toolchain. So to get started, what you'll need to do is download Visual Studio Community 2019. So just go on their website, Visual Studio, search Visual Studio Community, go on their website and download Visual Studio. So once you have your Visual Studios downloaded or through installer, you should have this window open. When you do, you just want to go to modify and just wait for it. Once you come here, just make sure that this option is clicked. This option is checked. This is what we need. The MSVC toolchain is what we need for Rust. So make sure it's checked. If it's your first time installing it, you might have to restart your computer, but go ahead and do that. Once that's done, we can go back to our original website, just install Rust, and go ahead and download this executable. Once the executable is downloaded, just go ahead and open it, and you should see this command prompt. Here you'll see that it says host triple is Windows MSVC. Make sure it is MSVC, unless you're, of course, you're doing the GNU way. If you're using the GNU toolchain, just press 2, customize the installation so it is it is GNU, and then yeah, that's it. And then if it's MSVC, all you got to do is just press 1 and proceed with installation. So as you can see, it's downloading cargo, which you will be using to deploy your Rust projects. So we'll just let this run, and once it's downloaded, once it's done, it should prompt this message saying that hey, Rust is installed now. Great. If there's no error, we can just press enter and move on. First thing we want to make sure is ensure that Rust did download. So all you have to do is just type cargo, and if it does, if it is recognized, then perfect. If it's not, try restarting your computer, restarting your terminal. It should be there. If not, then check your path variable. Make sure cargo is there in the path variable. But yeah, now we can go ahead and create a application, Rust application. So to do that, we're just gonna do cargo new, and we'll just say hello world. So as you can see, it created our package. We're just gonna move into hello world, and to run, we're just gonna do cargo run. Perfect. Hello world. So yeah, and also we'll just see the content of it. So this is where your source code will be stored, and this is what is generated after your after running the cargo build. This is where you will be defining all your dependencies, and this is automatically generated. So if you just move into our src folder, and we'll see main.rs, and that's your main Rust file. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow along. It's quite straightforward. Installing Rust is quite straightforward. So hopefully you did not have any issues. Other than that, thank you for watching and have a nice day.